This Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch black, is a masterclass in grilling tradition, innovation, and functionality. For anyone passionate about charcoal grilling, this premium kettle not only promises but delivers an unparalleled grilling experience. Let's dive into the features that make this grill a standout choice for both novice and seasoned grillers alike. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the grill that promises a perfect barbecue every time. Why choose the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill? 1. Versatile cooking. Whether you are grilling burgers, smoking ribs, or sewing steaks, this grill provides the flexibility and control needed for various cooking styles. 2. Durable build. With its porcelain-enameled lid and bowl, this grill is designed to withstand the elements and frequent use, promising longevity and consistent performance. 3. Convenient features. From the hinged cooking grate and one-touch cleaning system to the built-in lid thermometer, every feature is designed to enhance your grilling experience. 4. Trusted brand. Weber's reputation for quality and reliability means you are investing in a product backed by decades of expertise and customer trust. 5. Ease of use. The grill's design is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering the precision and control that seasoned grillers appreciate. The Weber Original Kettle Premium Grill carries forward the iconic design that has been synonymous with Weber since its inception. The 22-inch diameter offers a generous cooking area of 363 square inches, sufficient to hold up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press. The grill's classic black porcelain-enameled lid and bowl are more than just aesthetically pleasing, they are designed to retain heat efficiently, while being resistant to rust and peeling. This means you get consistent cooking temperatures and a product that stands the test of time, even under frequent use. One of the most convenient features of this grill is the hinged cooking grate. This smart design allows you to add charcoal without having to remove the entire grate, making it easier to maintain your fire and keep the grilling process smooth and uninterrupted. The cooking grate is constructed from heavy-duty plated steel, ensuring durability and excellent heat retention. Grilling is an art that requires precision, and the Weber Original Kettle Premium does not disappoint. It comes with rust-resistant aluminum dampers that allow you to control the airflow within the grill, which is crucial for managing cooking temperatures. Additionally, the built-in lid thermometer provides accurate readings, helping you to maintain the perfect temperature for various types of food, from slow-cooked ribs to seared steaks. The grill is equipped with the one-touch cleaning system, which significantly simplifies the post-grilling cleanup process. The system includes a high-capacity ash catcher that efficiently collects ashes and prevents them from scattering around, making disposal quick and mess-free. This feature alone can save you a lot of time and effort, keeping the focus on the fun part, grilling and enjoying your meals. A small but thoughtful feature is the lid hook. This allows you to hang the lid on the side of the grill instead of placing it on the ground, which keeps it clean and makes it more convenient to access the grill during cooking. The overall design ensures that every aspect of your grilling experience is seamless and enjoyable. Setting up the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill is straightforward, thanks to the 3D interactive assembly instructions available through the free built app. This app provides step-by-step instructions, making it easier even for those who are not particularly handy to assemble the grill correctly and efficiently. Weber has built a reputation over decades for delivering high-quality, reliable grills, and the Original Kettle Premium is no exception. It embodies the brand's commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, which is evident in every aspect of its design and functionality. Conclusion: the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch black, is more than just a grill. It's a gateway to mastering the art of charcoal grilling. Its thoughtful design, robust build, and convenient features make it a worthy addition to any outdoor cooking arsenal. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or enjoying a quiet family dinner, this grill delivers on all fronts, making every meal memorable. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.